National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Dallas County and north-central Texas until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near University Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Buckingham and Richardson around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Garland around 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Sunnyvale around 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Rowlett and Satch around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This will impact I-35 east between mile markers 429 and 434. Move to an interior bathroom, closet, or hallway on the lowest floor of your building. Cover yourself with blankets, pillows, or a mattress for protection.
News 12 today, 40 tornadoes occurred in Tornado Alley in 4 days. It is unknown that how did this happen.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of El Reno. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany, and the village. Take immediate tornado precautions now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large destructive hail up to softball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stop under bridges or highway overpasses. They will not protect you from a tornado. The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Gray County and southwestern Kansas, west central Ford County and southwestern Kansas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Montezuma, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. Confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near the Haggard LF around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Ensign around 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, Howell around 7:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, Dodge City around 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Kansas, Ford and Gray.
Tornado emergency for Denver. The National Weather Service in Boulder has issued a tornado warning for western and southwestern Denver, downtown Denver, western and northwestern Arapahoe County, until 3:30 p.m. At around 3 p.m., a large and potentially deadly tornado was spotted traveling towards the Denver metro area. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. This tornado is likely causing EF4 to EF5 damage. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This message does not replace the prior tornado warning. Once again, this is a tornado emergency. Take cover now.